Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming essentials: power, network, and an admin account. These let you query MDM states. Open About This Mac to copy the serial number, and then sign into Apple ID in System Settings if not already. Once done, navigate to Profiles or Device Management. This shows installed MDM profiles. You do this first because the profile list is the authoritative indicator. Without profiles, you likely don't have MDM enforced. Next, you examine the profile details to see what the MDM controls: restrictions, remote commands, and the enrollment server address. Use the Details button to view certificates and removal restrictions. This explains why certain settings are locked. If Profiles is empty but you suspect MDM, run sudo profiles status type enrollment in terminal or try Apple Configurator with the serial. These reveal hidden enrollment states. Make sure to note any. Finally, you act to resolve locks. If MDM is present and you own the device, contact the enrolling organization to request removal. Provide proof of purchase if needed. If you see activation lock, sign into the linked iCloud account or get Apple support involved with ownership docs. If removal fails, collect the serial, screenshots of profiles, and system logs for the support agent. One troubleshooting tip: if commands fail, restart into safe mode and retry enrollment status checks. That often clears transient blockers.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.